Welcome. In this video I will show you how to charge your Microsoft Surface Studio 2. If you are using the original charger, it has to be connected into the charging port on the right edge of your device, right here. And if you connect it properly, you will see the charging indicator glowing on the charger. Here's what the AC adapter looks like. It has a capacity of 102 watts, therefore this is how much is required for our device to be charged properly. And if you are using a substitute, you can connect it to one of the USB-C ports on the left edge of your device, both of which support power delivery. But in this case, also make sure that the AC adapter that you are using can provide your device, does have a capacity of 100 watts at least for your device to charge properly. And if your device is being charged properly, you will also see the charging icon that's looking like this inside your system. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.